In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock challenges in Cloudflare. If you've landed on a page that simply says, "Please unblock challenges low.com to proceed," and you're not even sure what that means, let alone how to fix it, you're definitely not alone. This message pops up a lot, and thankfully, most of the time it's something you can clear up yourself. Let's dive right in. Quick refresher on what's actually happening here. Challenges, all4.com is the address Cloudflare uses to run a quick behind-the-scenes check that confirms you're a real visitor and not a bot before letting you through to the site you're trying to reach. When something on your end blocks that specific address from loading, the check can never finish, and you get stuck staring at this message instead of the page you actually wanted. So the very first place to look is your browser extensions, since these are the single most common cause. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and certain security extensions often mistake Cloudflare's verification script for tracking code and block it automatically, without you ever knowing. Head into your extensions page, that's Chrome://extensions in Chrome, about add-ins in Firefox, or Edge://extensions in Edge, and turn your extensions off one at a time, reloading the site after each one, until you spot which one's responsible. Next, take a look at your browser's built-in privacy or tracking protection settings. This trips up a lot of Firefox users especially, since its strict tracking protection mode can be aggressive enough to block the same script your extensions might, even with no extensions installed at all. Chrome and Edge have similar privacy sliders tucked into their settings, so it's worth checking those too and temporarily loosening them to see if that clears the block. If you're running any third-party antivirus or security software on your device, that's the next thing to check. Some of these tools include their own web filtering features that block specific domains they consider suspicious, sometimes challenges, .com included. Open your antivirus program's settings, look for a block domains or web protection list, and add challenges to the allowed list if you find it there. Now, if you're using a VPN, that's very likely playing a role too. VPNs route your traffic through servers shared by a lot of other users, and if Cloudflare has previously flagged suspicious activity coming from that same server, your connection gets caught up in that flag even though you personally haven't done anything wrong. Try switching to a different VPN server location, or briefly disabling the VPN altogether to see if that's what's holding things up. While you're troubleshooting, go ahead and clear your browser's cache and cookies too, since old, corrupted session data can sometimes keep forcing you back into a failed challenge loop. And it's worth trying an incognito or private window as well, since that runs with a completely clean slate, extensions and cached data included, and can help you confirm whether the block is coming from your regular browsing profile. Here's one last thing worth knowing, and it's genuinely reassuring. Every so often, this exact message shows up across huge numbers of sites all at once, and in those cases, there's actually nothing wrong on your end to unblock at all. Cloudflare's own infrastructure is having a rough moment, and the challenge itself can't load no matter what you try. If you've worked through everything above and it's still not resolving, especially if you're seeing the same error on multiple unrelated sites, it's worth checking Cloudflare's own status page before assuming it's something on your device. So to recap, check your browser extensions and privacy settings first, then your antivirus, then your VPN, clear your cache and cookies, try incognito, and if it's happening everywhere at once, check whether Cloudflare itself is having an outage. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.